This is the Mop and Broom holder by The Good Stuff. The company sent this to me so I could check it out. This is a really nice item here. It's made out of all metal. These brackets here that hold it in look like they're really reinforced really well. And then you got these 4 hooks on here that lets it hold some really nice stuff in your garage. Pretty much you can mount this wherever you want. It's rated for home, outdoor, pretty much anywhere you're looking to mount this to, you can mount it to. It's got 3 different mounting areas here, one on each side and in the middle. And then they do give you all of the mounting hardware here too. So just decent sized screws. And then it does have the caps, which is really cool. So you're not gonna be able to see the holes here once you put them in here. So it'll look really nice. But this is rated for items up to 30 pounds. It is stainless steel, so it is gonna be rust proof. And it's just a really nice item here. So basically, it's gonna go up with the 3 screws, and it's just gonna stay up like that, and it'll hold 30 pounds for each item. So this is gonna hold a significant amount of weight. So you got 9 different entry points here times 30 pounds. So this is gonna hold a lot of different weight. Whatever you put up here, it's gonna be able to hold. So definitely wanna check this out. It's the Mop and Broom holder by The Good Stuff. It looks like a really great item.